25th floor, Tower 3. Mukhang hindi siya natirhan ng dating may-ari. Kasi intact pa yung aircon provision. Yan, city view. Yan ang view niya from your living area, dining. Kitchen niya, may stain. Galing yung tubig nito. Andito. Kailangan na itong palitan. Para naman di nagamit yung sink eh, oh. Saan galing yung tubig? Hindi, walang ano eh, oh. Bathroom niya, very spacious. Yan. Shower head pa. Corner unit or end unit. Kaya naman na maganda yung lighting and ventilation. And then ito yung pinaka-bedroom niya. Floor to ceiling windows. Ang ganda ng view. Yan. City view. Panlaban yung view nito. Yung details niya, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa video. Pakibasa na lang po. And this is as is where is upon turnover. First come, first serve po tayo. Available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance, bank financing plus taxes and fees. So ito yung maganda sa unit na to, yung view niya and yung floor to ceiling windows niya dito sa bedroom area. So if interesado kayo dito mag-offer, magpa-schedule ng showing appointment, messages directly. Ito nga lang may ano, kailangan ipaayos, patanggal. May stain siya. Pero overall, maganda naman siya. Magandang view. This is Avida Centera along EDSA, Mandaluyong City. So again, if you're interested, message us directly. Oh, clubhouse. Ito ano niya, function area. Dito lahat ng amenities sa first floor. Bali itong Avida Centera, meron siyang 4-level na podium for parking. And then first floor mag-start yung residential. So technically parang 5th floor na siya. And then andun na rin yung mga amenities. Tulad nito, parang outdoor gym. Okay. And then andito yung yan, swimming pool, adult pool, kiddie pool. Dito kompleto silang lahat. And then alam ko meron tayong gym dito eh. Ayan. Ito yung indoor gym niya. May nag-workout. Tapos dito yung swimming pool. Ayan. Ang ganda rito in fairness. Oh. Daming swimming pool. Yan. Ilan yan? Parang 4 na swimming pools. And then may mga pocket gardens tayo.